Welcome to lesson 2 of Microsoft Word tutorial. We are going to see the features on saving the documents, the ribbon tabs, groups, the buttons, document area and the status bar in this tutorial. Let's go to our Word document. As I told you last time, the document that you see is the default document that was opened. Now the first thing that you should do whenever you work on any document, not necessarily Word, is to save it. So let's save this. Save as. Default saving spot is on the my document space. So let's just call it as MS Word tutorial dash 1. So you should keep a meaningful file name so that you remember what is the document name if you want to search it at a later point of time, and then you press on save. So like I said in the first tutorial, you see in the top center the name of the file or name of the document has changed to MS Word tutorial. Now we will look at the different ribbon tabs. Once you open the Word document, the default ribbon tab you will see is the Home tab, which has different groups. You have the clipboards, you have the font, you have the paragraph, the style, and the editing. And within each of these groups, you will have individual features of the buttons. And just move your mouse over that, you will know what that particular button does. It says italicize the selected text, increase the font, decrease the font, and in some cases it will also be a drop down, as in like the font format. Got the paragraphs, you got the style, and you got the editing. We'll come back to the individual details later. Similarly, each of these tabs have their own ribbon options. So I press on insert, you'll see the page, you'll see the table, illustrations, links, so things like that. So each of the tabs at the top would give you its own features grouped in a particular way. It might look too many options and too many features, but what we're going to cover is only the basics of what you need to be able to work with Word on a day-to-day basis. So don't worry about the number of options. We will get that taken care of over the next set of videos. At the bottom you see the status bar. You see page 1 of 1. It shows how many pages are there in this document and at which page you are in. So in this document we are on, it's a 1-page document and we are on that page. And you see the number of words in this document, we have not written anything, so it's 0. And then you have the language, it says English United States. You click on it, you could change it to British English if you want. You can change it to some other language if you want to type other languages in this document. Let's say okay. Track changes is off, I'll tell you that later. On the right side of the status bar you have the different layouts. I will cover the layout when we go into the view tab. It's just a shortcut of what you see in the view tab. and then the rightmost you see the zoom option. So you see it's 100%. There is a scroll here, you click on it and drag, you can reduce the size. Now it's 100 and then you increase the size. So we'll keep it at 100.